Hey there, Stephanie here. Can we chat for a sec? So you and I both know that running an HVAC business, it could be a lot. And the last thing on our minds could be the financials. Someone could ask us about the financials and we just automatically get overwhelmed. I'm here to tell you that it shouldn't be. You should have confidence in your financials. They're here to work for you, right? So on this clarity call, my mission is to hear what your goals are, see what's getting in your way, and also we can start breaking down some numbers so it can start making sense. There's absolutely no judgment, all clarity. Because at Your Books Matter, we specialize in partnering with HVAC businesses like yours. I'm passionate about helping owners get more clarity in their finances, just breaking it down so it can make sense to them. Even if we don't work together, my goal from this call is to have you leaving more confident or a bit better than before. And if we do work together, we're going to be putting structure behind your numbers so you can move with confidence and clarity and make solid financial decisions in your business. So I have one question for you. Are you ready to gain clarity? If so, book a clarity call because your books matter. Thank you.